Crypto is a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money that use our banking system, crypto is decentralized. This means it operates independently of a central bank. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, was created in 2009 by an unknown person using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of cryptos have emerged like these, and they are a small sample of what's available. Crypto use blockchain technology to achieve decentralization. This blockchain is like a ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is added to a block and then chained to the previous block, forming a chain of blocks, similar to this image. This ensures the integrity and transparency of transactions. The decentralized nature of crypto means it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. On one hand, it offers increased privacy and lower transaction fees. On the other hand, it can be more susceptible to fraud and market manipulation. Crypto can be used for a variety of purposes, from online purchases to investment. The laws about crypto use are different here in the US due to tax laws. However, they are still a relatively new and evolving technology. Understanding how they work is crucial for anyone considering investing in them. And that's why you are here with us today. Crypto investments are known for their high returns and a volatility slightly more than traditional stocks. For example, the price of Bitcoin in 2024 was around $50,000, and a year later, in 2025, it's at or over $100,000 before the tariffs were announced in February 2025. This volatility can be both an opportunity and a risk. On one hand, it offers the potential for significant gains. On the other hand, it also means that prices can fall just as quickly, leading to substantial losses. For seniors, who may have a lower risk tolerance, this can be particularly concerning. Another risk associated with crypto is its relative lack of regulation. This, however, is set to change in 2025. While some countries have started to implement regulations, the US is a bit slower setting up regulations because of the lawsuits back and forth over XRP or Ripple token. It's also important to consider the security risks. This can result in the loss of funds, which is often irreversible. Scammers are out to try to take our seniors with hundreds of new scams. It's hard for anybody, even a seasoned security professional like me working for some of the country's largest companies, not to get scammed. Just go slow, don't believe anything that sounds suspect. Get a phone number to call back before you ever give any personal information. Despite the risks, many people are attracted to cryptos because of the potential for these high rewards we've been talking about. There have been numerous stories of individuals who have made significant profits from their investments. One of my doctors is holding 2 Bitcoins when it was only $8,000 a Bitcoin, and now it's worth $100,000 each. One of the reasons for a high profitability is the limited supply of many cryptos. For instance, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. This scarcity can drive up the value as demand increases. Additionally, as more businesses and individuals adopt cryptocurrencies, their value may continue to rise. Another factor contributing to the potential for high rewards is innovation into something called ETFs. You buy shares of a Bitcoin from a broker like BlackRock, a firm who manages money for their clients. Other stockbrokers also offer ETFs of Bitcoin, and now several others have announced they are ready to be purchased. However, it's important to remember that not all cryptos will be successful. Every day, a list of hundreds of tokens come out. It's so easy. For a few $100s, I could have my own token. So, finding one of the older or the OGs may be your best bet. The market is still very young, and many projects may fail. It's crucial to do thorough research and understand the specific cryptocurrency you are investing in. The crypto market is rife with frauds and scams, just like stocks, real estate, or gold sales. A TV show how people got scammed out of over $10,000 because the gold was only gold-plated. The rest of the coin was base metal and magnetic. Gold is not magnetic, but most people don't know that. It is essential for seniors to be aware of these risks. Scammers may create fake websites or send emails that appear legitimate. Always double-check the URL and be cautious of unsolicited communications. Be wary of investments that promise guaranteed or high returns. Initial coin offerings, or ICOs, can also be risky. Some ICOs are legitimate, but others are scams. Research the team, their track record, and the feasibility of their plans. Use trusted resources and consult with knowledgeable individuals before making any investment decisions. Now we are going to lay out some practical steps to start investing. I have many other videos that give the steps in detail, but this is a high level of how to buy crypto safely. For seniors interested in investing in crypto, there are several practical steps to get started. The first step is to set up a digital wallet. This is where your cryptocurrencies will be stored. There are several types of wallets, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and online wallets. Watch my video specifically about the three I trust. Once you have a wallet, the next step is to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. This is where you can buy and sell cryptos. Look for an exchange with a good reputation, strong security measures, and user-friendly interfaces. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. After selecting an exchange, you will need to create an account and verify your identity. This usually involves providing some personal information and proof of identity. This process is called KYC, or Know Your Customer. Once your account is set up, you can deposit funds and start buying cryptos. It's important to start small and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable with the process. Diversifying your investments can also help mitigate risks. Consider investing in a mix of cryptos rather than putting all your money into one. Now, on the topic of trustworthy resources for learning, staying informed about the cryptocurrency market is essential for making informed investment decisions. There are several trustworthy resources that can help seniors learn more about cryptos and stay updated on market trends. One valuable resource is online courses. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy offer courses on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. These courses can provide a solid foundation of knowledge and help you understand the complexities of the market. Another useful resource is crypto news websites. Sites like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and CoinMarketCap and Crypto Bubbles offer news, analysis, and market updates. Following these sites can help you stay informed about the latest developments and trends in the crypto world. I look at those and usually CNBC's Crypto Watch on a daily basis. Importance of research and diversification is key to any type of investments. From stocks, bonds, annuities, or other insurance products to crypto, forex, bot trading, and finally day trading. It's so easy to lose your money nowadays. Thorough research is crucial when investing into any of the investments listed above. Crypto, my friends, is no different, not financial advice. Understand the technology, the team, and the market potential. Read white papers, follow updates from the development team, and stay informed about market trends. Diversification is another key strategy. Spread your investments across different investments to better protect your assets. This can help reduce risk. Now, you may want to write this down. It's the golden rule of investing. I will give you a moment to find paper and a pen. Okay, the golden words: only invest what you can afford to lose. The market is highly speculative and unpredictable. It's important to invest money you can afford to lose. This money is outside the mortgage or rent, your car or insurance payments, your credit cards and such. Consulting with a financial advisor can be helpful. They can provide personalized advice based on your situation. Doing your due diligence can help you make informed and safe investment decisions. Final thoughts. Investing in crypto can offer both opportunities and risks. Same for stocks, ETFs, bonds, or any investment. For seniors, it's important to approach this market with caution and informed decision-making. Understanding the basics, the associated risks, and the potential rewards is essential. However, the potential for high rewards and innovation in the market can be enticing. Taking practical steps to start investing, such as setting up digital wallets and choosing reliable exchanges, can help mitigate some risks. Ultimately, thorough research, diversification, and only investing what you can afford to lose are key strategies for safely investing. By approaching this market with caution and informed decision-making, seniors can navigate the risks and potential rewards of cryptocurrency investments. Well, that just about wraps up this presentation. I really hope you enjoyed this easy-to-understand video about investing into crypto. Now remember, nothing contained in this video is investment advice. Please do your own research. Always see a certified planner or broker. I have a favor to ask. Would you consider leaving me a like and subscribe? I work very hard to come up with topics that people are searching for. Those two items really help the channel. I have a video on your screen in the smaller box to the left that may offer you some new information into this crazy world of crypto. All right, my friends and subscribers, thank you for 1 year. Can you believe it? 1 year, and most channels only last a month or two. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys.